What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Ron and Dawn Cooking Show.
Hi.
That's right, I said show. So today we're gonna do chicken strips. They're gonna be crunchy chicken strips, and my wife wants to let you guys where we get the idea from.
So this is the Big Boss oilless fryer. We did, I think, 2 other things in this thing for you guys before.
I noticed the very first one we did, you guys seemed like you really liked that video. So we're going to do some more of these. I think maybe the first 10, maybe 15, we're going to do ingredients out of here. So maybe you guys may like to do it as well, but we're going to show you how easy it is.
And just for the record, we've never tried this recipe before, so we're going to find out how good it is right on camera.
And remember, I don't eat chicken, beef, or pork because
for the month of January.
For the month of January, I'm doing my pescatarian, so it's going to be on my wife and my niece to try it out.
And so it's called Crunchy Popcorn Chicken.
Oh, and by the way, my wife wanted me to do this.
Yes. Because it has a black shirt. I only have 2 aprons. This is my vintage one. I don't really tie them around, but I love them. And I bought this one from Avon a long time ago, and I don't have any man ones. Maybe I'll get you one.
I'll buy one, but
that'll say barbecue or have some ribs on it or something. I don't know.
She wanted me to do this. So,
yes.
Yeah.
And he's like, why do I have to wear this? I'm like, you don't have to, but it's nice. Because, you know, we're chefs in the kitchen. Plus, you have a black shirt. You don't want it to get all messed up. Alright.
Sure.
Alright, so let's get this party started. So, I have my ingredients here. Orange juice, oats, and then I season my chicken with salt, pepper, and this gourmet seasoning that I have, smoked paprika, and some other stuff because I can't see it now that he took it.
They need to see it too.
Garlic, chili, and chive spice blend. There's no salt in this. So,
made by who?
The Gourmet Collection spice blends. I bought it at Ross. They have like that little kitchen section. I bought a couple of different kinds of these. This one was $3.99. I like these seasonings. It combines a whole bunch of different stuff, and it changes your flavors up sometimes. You know, you get in the rut making the same things all the time, and you get bored. So. And
the oats don't matter. You can buy any oats that you want. It doesn't really matter what oats you want.
Yeah. Like my cups, by the way, I got these when I went to Paris in the spring from a. I'm sorry, not Paris. I did go to France, Soufflenheim, France, in the spring, and I got these from a ceramic shop that they make. The town that I went to, it's a ceramic town. Like, they make all kinds of ceramics, and I got these bowls there. There were 2 more, but unfortunately they broke in transit.
I know you guys are going to laugh at me, but I use this for my coffee.
Yeah, that's
and my soup. This one is mine.
And this is mine. It's so pretty with all the discolorations and stuff. And I use mine for everything. Soup, tea, ice cream. I put chips in it. I just love using it for everything. Cereal.
Crack.
All right. So I seasoned my chicken already. So you can see it's all delicious looking. And I'm going to... Are you going to use your hands or do you want me to use
my hands. I use my hands.
All right.
You guys are going to have to see my back for a little while. So.
My back. I don't like touching raw food, raw meat with my hands. So, no, you have to put it in there.
This or that?
Put it in there and then roll it in the oats.
Roll it in the oats?
Yeah. And then sit it in here. And this...
Maybe we should have let it marinated in the orange juice first, huh?
Well,
just put it in there.
Okay.
So let them know what I'm doing.
Because it says in a low glass baking dish... Oh, wrong recipe. In a low glass shallow dish, separate the oats. In another dish, have the orange juice. Dip the chicken in the orange juice, then roll in the oats. Place lower cooking rack in unit. So we used the higher cooking rack. But that's okay. We're going to use the higher cooking rack.
But it matters.
This thing comes with 2 racks.
But it matters because it's probably because it's too high. You know,
so it's going to cook fast?
Yeah.
I don't mind. I don't mind if it's a little crispy and chunky. Crunchy.
So, bear warning, you guys. Tell them.
We're using the higher cooking rack. There is a shorter one to bring the food further away from the cooking element, which is this one. Do you want me to change it? You want me to change it, don't you?
No.
Okay, so this would have the food down here, but I'm using the one that has the food more up here. And I honestly never use this one. I'm not going to start today. Yeah, I don't like that all my seasonings get rubbed off in the...
It didn't call for seasoning, dear.
I know, but who makes food without seasoning? Come on.
Well, people do.
Yeah. Not these people. And then it says, optional, you can spray it with olive oil. So I just picked up some olive oil spray. I am going to pump some spray on these suckers when it's time.
Two more.
Yeah. Using your hands, it gets done so fast, but I just, you're washing all my seasoning off.
It's not my problem. I gotta get it. I have to get it where it needs to be.
This better be good. This better be good.
Well, it's the whole reason of doing it, right?
I almost feel like putting more seasoning on it before you
Well,
start
we're not
cooking.
going to do that.
Okay.
Oh, and tell them the other thing. We were supposed to cut these.
Oh yeah, it said, because this is supposed to be popcorn chicken, it said to cut them into 1-inch pieces, but I had some chicken tenders that I bought from Whole Foods a couple of days ago, and I was going to make a stir fry with them, and since I never used them and he came up with this recipe, I was like, you know what, I'm just going to use these, and I'm not going to cut them. I'll just leave them long. He's just separating them so they're not touching each other so much in the pan. And I'll just show you what they look like in the pan. And they're all just laid out. And then, like I said, we have the taller tray in here instead of the shorter one. So I'll put that in. And I'm going to spray it. The little olive oil spray. And here's the top. For those of you who've never seen the Big Boss videos, the cooking element is on the top.
And just show it to them.
It has all of the controls here on top.
Flip it back. Now, this is what, just for you guys that don't know anything about the Big Boss oilless fryer, I don't clean this. If you can, that's fine, but I don't clean it because you get all that soap in there, you get that residue in there, and this thing gets really hot, and I don't know if that'll mess up this what do you call this?
Cooking element.
And I don't want to do that, so I just clean the glass on the outside. But if I ever see anything that I don't like, because I'm a clean neat freak.
And food doesn't touch this part anyway.
No,
so.
but what I'm talking about, if any
just
of
like
that stuff,
okay.
I don't like that. Just so you guys know, go, ew, that don't look, you know. But yeah, I'm a neat freak. I like cleaning this. I get lazy every now and again, though.
All right. So then it says set oven for 400 degrees. So the temperature gauge is on the top there. So I set that for 400. And then it says to cook for 15 minutes or until chicken is cooked through. So I'm going to start it for 15 minutes.
And we will be checking it. We won't just walk away from it and just let it do its thing. I will be checking it.
But most of the time I do walk away. I'll go...
I don't cook that way. I'm a type of person, I like to watch my food when it cooks.
And I walk away. So 15 minutes. Turn that on there. And then when you put this down, it starts the cooking.
And with that, we'll be back.
Yep. We'll just clean up this mess, and then we'll be back in a few minutes.
Alright? Y'all stay tuned.
We're still waiting for our chicken. We have a little less than 10 minutes. And to go with that, I'm making some roasted organic sweet potatoes. Got them from the grocery store in the frozen food section. Earthbound Farm.
You know, we could have just did this by cutting them up and do the same thing. How come we didn't just do that?
Because I wanted to try. That's all. You know I'm all about fast stuff, fast and easy. Especially I get home from work. I have an hour commute. By the time I get home, I don't feel like spending a lot of time in the kitchen. So I do like to get try some of these frozen things a lot of the times, just to see if we like them. And this is Earthbound Farm Organic roasted organic sweet potato slices with sea salt and olive oil. All you have to do is coat the bottom of your pan with olive oil, stick them in the oven. It says 375 for 15 minutes. So we're going to put these in now so that by the time...
Sorry.
By the time the chicken's done and I'm making some crab cakes for Ron, then everything will be ready together and we can eat dinner. So we'll be back again in a few more minutes.
And we are back.
Hi.
No apron.
You couldn't wait to take that apron off.
I had to take that off, man.
So these are all ready. I'm going to take a couple out here. They are a little crispy. And I got my vegetables on there too, my sweet potatoes. So they're all crispy looking. And I'm going to try it, see what it tastes like. Mmm. Sweet potatoes are good.
Let's see what we got. Be honest.
I will, and I am a little afraid, honestly. Just because I feel like it's not seasoned enough.
See? We're not professionals, people. We just know you guys like these cooking, and we actually like doing it. It's a good bond between me and my wife to do a video together and make these videos. And we're not professionals. We just average people just like the rest of you guys that are watching, and we just like to cook. I love home-cooked meals, so I'm not really for that one to go out, but you'll see us out every now and again as you see our other previous videos. Watch those videos, by the way.
We love tacos.
So, fish tacos for me.
For me too. It's good. It doesn't need these oats, honestly. And if I did not season it with my own seasoning, it would have been terrible.
It would have?
I think so.
Ah, okay.
So if you make this, even though it doesn't say to season your meat first,
you don't have to.
You should season your meat first if you don't like bland food.
But if you like bland food, then don't season it. But we like seasoning our food, so, do what you gotta do. I could have even used more seasoning, but it is really good. The flavor is good. I can taste the orange juice. Yeah. The oats are okay, and it is a little crispy. Sorry for the background. I'm watching them play our football.
Oh, they probably can't even hear it. They probably hear it now. But yeah, it's definitely good. And I'd make this again. And yeah, it's good.
So that's it for us today. And like, comment, share, subscribe, and let us know how you like the videos. If you want us to make something and you want us to probably do something else, whether it's chicken, beef, pork in the Big Boss, let us know. We'll try it out. We'll do it. If we fail, we fail. We're not perfect here. We don't care. We like to do different things and we like to try different things. So in the comment section, let us know if you want us to try something else we've never tried before. And this is all new to us. So.
And the good thing about this particular recipe, there's not a lot of cleanup. This really, I can just rinse this out. Just wipe it out. I don't have to do a lot of scrubbing or anything. And the grate, it's all good. So this is an easy recipe to make as well as for the cleanup.
And we will see you guys in the next one.
Thanks for watching.